Right there in the paper.
Whoa, what's that, Audrina? Is that a baby doll? Is that another baby for you?
Oh,
Wow, say, oh, the little baby. Say, oh, the little baby. There's another thing in there, I think. That's able to open. What's in here? Oh, we can have a look at this real quick.
You're still videotaping.
Oh, yeah.
oh.
What's that? Crib for the baby?
Oh, it's a little crib for the baby, yeah.
I'll put both up.
Audrina, look at this. Audrina, look. Audrina, come here. Audrina, come here, look, what's this? Audrina, look. Audrina.
Finally, movies, huh? They can watch Christmas movies on Netflix.
Yup.
Oh, God.
Audrina, look at this. It's a little blankie. She doesn't understand. Okay, look at this, Audrina. Whoa.
Is that where we left off?
Yeah, we must have. Yay, look at you. And then socks. Socks.
What?
And then a little pillow. Oh. Yeah. And more socks. Oh, thank you. Say bye to the camera for now.
More tomorrow. It's going to be like Hanukkah. Hanukkah.
Say bye.
Whoa,
Oh, thank you. That's Mommy's. Bye-bye.
Gotta go work.
Say bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Blow kissies. Blow kissies. Blow kissies.
Whoa.
Yeah, I forgot to leave early, so we gotta get these papers too.
Say bye.
Whoa.
Come on, this is what we'll do, Audrina. See, look, this is for the baby.